Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video for the morning update, let's take a look at the amazing follow through on the bullish gap up structure that I have talked with you guys yesterday once we got the positive news for the peace deal. Now the final signing still has to go through in a couple of days. However, as expected, as mentioned, that we'll see a gap up with this positive news, and when that positive news came out, I showed you in the overnight session the gap up, and I also mentioned that if any pullback happens, it doesn't have to fully fill the gap. It's most likely going to get just bought up. Gaps in these cases don't fill, market strength will continue, and you can see some stocks did fill the gap, but indices themselves, they are just ripping straight where they opened, and there is that bullish continuation, as I mentioned, is expected, and we are seeing that. So in this video, let's take a look at morning market update, S&P 500, Nasdaq 100. We'll take a look at Tesla and other semiconductors as how things are looking like in their price action. And before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So it's not that just today we turned in the bullish structure, in the start of a bullish structure, I should say. The start happened on Thursday on this particular candle, and I told you about it. Okay, so please subscribe and hit the like if you want to follow along. Okay, and then thereafter we have continued in the strength, and today's momentum is just more of a continuation but with a positive catalyst. So hourly interval, we did have actually some pullback in the pre-market actually right over here, but I said that not to worry about. This significant level 746 area is also a good support, and we just stayed above that, guys, and we are still bullish. Now market is in full-on strength, yellow zone above, full-on strength is back, no longer just in a multi-day strength, which we were already, but you can see that trend has fully taken over on the overall structure as well. And as we stay above this yellow zone area, that's your trailing stop loss on your multi-day strength bullish trade that started Thursday. Most likely we may go for a new all-time highs with this snapback, but again, we have to trade with technicals and the levels. And I would also say that even, let's say, if any red candle comes, not just 740, 746 is the zone technically, but 749, 750 is your trailing area, but 746 until there also, structure will be just fine technically on S&P 500. It will remain in the bullish strength actually. So that's your S&P 500. Similar price action on Nasdaq 100 as well. We just saw a bit of a pullback, well, in the pre-market, I should say, little bit, very little right over here, right? And then overall structure, as I said, market doesn't have to fill the gap in such cases, and you can see we are continuing a bullish structure. Most likely we may see a new all-time highs on this as well. Point is that until 725, even if right now pullback happens, structure will remain to the upside still. Really good, really strong, and Nasdaq 100 is also looking really great. Let's take a look at now Tesla. So Tesla, technically a bit of a red candle for the day. However, as I have said, 415 area, I still want to see it above that for like proper longevity, like this turnaround is complete. Now for the full trade setup, check out members only videos that I have done for my members. But for now, it's nothing to worry about. Tesla is the one that has done the gap fill today. But since the structure turned also on Thursday, I talked about, we are in the strength now, right? And structure overall is still holding the bullish direction. This is just a gap fill. You don't have to worry about it. But if you want to understand from the day trading perspective, yes, it was a weakness structure for the day trade. Okay, if you have access to my tools, you know what I'm talking about. Just turn them on and you will see why, right? So I'll just show you real quick on my easy day and swing trading tool. So this helps you to know, let's go to the flow mode here. This helps you to know, you can see there was no point in holding any day trade bullish right now or start a bullish trade. It's gonna turn around soon, but it mostly went red for the gap fill. So you have to wait. Overall structure is strengthful, multi-day is strengthful, but for the day, you gotta hold off, right? It will turn around soon though. Again, my tools will help you with all of this, guys. If you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. You don't want to be trading blindly. Okay, let me show you on QQQ. This was unlike Tesla, right? This was bullish straight right away. Yes, it's above the cloud, but the structure also started green, so nothing to worry. And if you build a position, you are holding that position. We are in the bullish structure. Again, you can use my tools across all the intervals, all the instruments. They will help you to make trading decisions. Details of my tools you will find in the description of this video. Now, so we covered Tesla as well. As I said, it's just a gap fill today, not too much to worry about. We are just fine. I will only consider a structure broken on Tesla if we close without going above 414. If we start to close below 404, then only we will again get into the multi-day weakness. Otherwise, no, it's fine. All right, so anyways, but the longevity, long-term, what my trade setups are and all, guys, those videos are you will find in my members only section. All right, let's get to NVIDIA. Okay, so NVIDIA is starting that comeback strength, and which was something we were looking for, only as if it can stabilize above 204, which it did on the last week. And I did mention that this opens up to 208, but I still cautioned you that it's not fully turned around. Okay, this 212, 211, we still need to regain above that for a full turnaround. Right now it's a multi-day strength. Okay, so but we have to turn around. If anytime we close a day below 208 from where we are, at least from right now, that's where problem will be. Otherwise, no, we are fine. And multi-day strength right now, as let's say, see if it can get above 211 area. AMD is all good, all strong, continuing in its bullish strength, and bullish strengths persist, which started on Thursday on this as well. And yep, as you can see, our levels are holding. We are breaking out to the new level and then holding that level. So the structure still remains bullish. And it's right now what you are seeing here is just a pullback, which is fine. It's just a day of a pullback. It already made a new all-time highs. And yeah, you can see a bullish strength on this thing. So yeah, all good. And this has a room to just continue bullish from here still. So that's that. ARM also pullback are getting bought up. It's been also bullish turnaround from Thursday of the last week. Broadcom, it's at least gapped up, but it's still red, still in the negative structure though, guys. Broadcom 405 below, it's still going to remain in the bearish negative structure technically, like in the longevity of a direction. There's some bounce this is happening. If it can eventually stabilize, then that's something to watch, but otherwise, yeah, no. Micron also continuing in its bullish structure. All good. I may do a video later in the afternoon when the market has closed in the evening. I will take a look at more technical depth there, but right now, just as you can understand, already Thursday comeback happened and we are continuing in our bullish structure there. SanDisk also already mentioned that it's just been bullish as well. New all-time highs called out that we're getting that, and then the follow through as well. This thing also remains bullish. TSM has also made a comeback above 417, so you are aware about it, mentioned about it. Intel, technically it's just a bit of a red pullback, but it's not a bearish structure. It's still in the buy zone and it's 116 above. Structure is bullish and structure is still bullish. Even today's red candle doesn't make it bearish. It's still a bullish structure. Seagate gapped up really good, a little bit filling a gap today, but still remains in the bullish structure. 967 is one of your significant level support. This is the morning update, guys, and that's all I had for you in this video. Market is looking really green, really strong, and we are looking really great in the market, guys. Okay, that's all I had, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.